Hello everyone, welcome to Sabre Virtual Demo, our brief series of videos explaining different features of Business Central and related products. In this episode, we're going to look at Microsoft Dynamics 365 Sales Professional, a companion product to Business Central. So this is Dynamics 365 Sales Professional. It is a companion product, as I mentioned, to Dynamics 365 Business Central. This is the dashboard for the sales manager. We've logged into Sales Professional. A dashboard is what will show up initially. There are 3 dashboards out of the box for Sales Professional. The sales dashboard is a tiled view of information for things like opportunities, leads, activities, phone calls, etc. Sales Professional Summary dashboard. This is closer to what the standard sales enterprise dashboards look like, with lists of activities and accounts and opportunities, etc., and some graphs such as your sales pipeline. The Sales Professional software product has a lot of different features and pieces of data that are collected in it, a lot of which are exchanged with Business Central. So dashboards activities are usually integrated with Outlook and can include things like appointments, phone calls, tasks. Your accounts in the Business Central world are considered customers, but accounts can include things like strategic partners or competitors even can be listed as accounts. Contacts are also integrated with Business Central. These are usually in the Dynamics 365 sales world. They're the individuals who work at accounts. In Business Central, accounts are also, contacts can be both an account contact or an individual contact, and so it integrates both of those. Leads and opportunities can be integrated into Business Central. Opportunities, though, within the Sales Professional are much more robust and capable. And leads are really pre-opportunities. So a lead generally, once qualified, becomes an opportunity. And it's usually, we like to describe it as a trade show lead or something like that. Quotes, orders, and invoices will integrate from Business Central, or you can even create quotes and orders within Sales Professional and they will integrate into Business Central. Marketing lists and quick campaigns are not really part of Business Central integration, and neither are cases. Cases are things like customer complaints. And so tracking them within Sales Professional at a basic level is part of the out-of-the-box capability. And then you can also have your products and price lists and sales information integrate into Dynamics 365 Sales Professional. So if you are if you have a Business Central environment with items in it, then those can integrate up. Let's take a really quick look at an opportunity. And from the opportunity screen, we have within Sales Professional, we have the ability to enter notes, create attachments on those notes. We have different fields that can be filled in. We can create custom user-defined fields and add them. We can add product lines to our opportunity. So if we have different products that we are including in it, we can add those in and it'll automatically calculate the amount of that. We can attach quotes. So if we have created a quote, we can attach the quote to the opportunity. And then we can also have other different related information like activities and connections and the like. One of the most important parts of the opportunity is the opportunity sales process flow or the business process flow. This is a feature of both the Sales Professional and Sales Enterprise modules. Within each stage in the sales process opportunity, you can define the fields that are required for that stage. You can make those mandatory so that users must select them in order to move to the next stage. And what this allows you to do is create a quantitative system so that your sales reps are proceeding your opportunities through the sales stages based on business rules you've defined. So for this particular demo, I'm going to include the pricing. The Dynamics 365 Enterprise full users are $95 US per user. The sales professional full user is $65 US per user. But with a Business Central license, any Business Central full user can attach a sales professional full user for just $20, which is what makes it so attractive to customers who use Business Central. And really, it's just a remarkably good price for a CRM system.
Thank you for watching this video. Please follow our channel by clicking here, or click here for the next great video. We look forward to seeing you next time. Have a great day.